For this question, it's given that a bullet of mass 7 gram is fired into a block of metal weighing 7 kg, and the block is free to move. After the impact, the velocity of the bullet and the block is 0.7 meter per second. We have to find the initial velocity of the bullet. So let's say initial velocity with which the bullet is fired is u, and let's say this is a bullet. Okay, and mass of this bullet is 7 gram. So that should be equal to 0.007 kg. And there's a block of metal weighing 7 kg. So let's say this is a block of metal that is weighing 7 kg. So this is 7 kg. Now, the block is free to move, and after the impact, when the bullet is fired, after the impact, the velocity of the bullet in the block is 0.7 meter per second. So let's say after the bullet is fired, um, let's say this is the bullet. Okay, after the impact, they both move with the common velocity, let's say v, which is equal to zero point 0.7 meter per second. So what is the initial velocity of the bullet? So initial momentum, we are going to use the law of conservation of momentum. So initial momentum here is equal to m, which is the mass of the bullet, and use the velocity plus mass of the block, which is capital M, into its velocity, which is 0. So mass of the bullet is 0.007 and kg, and initial velocity is u. So this is the initial momentum, that is 0.007 kg into, this is 0.0007 kg, and this is the u, kg meter per second. This is the initial momentum, and the final momentum would be the system of the bullet and the block. So final momentum is equal to the total mass, that is 7 kg plus 0.007, that is the total mass, into the common velocity, that is 0.7. So according to law of conservation of momentum, initial momentum is equal to final momentum. So according to law of conservation of momentum, initial momentum, which is 0.007 into u, that should be equal to, this should be 7.007 into zero point 0.7, and we have to find the initial velocity of the bullet. So this is 7.007 into 0.7 upon 0.007. So we can take off this point. So now this is equal to 7007 into, this is 7, and 7 by 10, which gives us 1001. So this is equal to 7007 divided by 10, which gives us 700.7 meter per second. So this is the initial velocity of the bullet, and we have used the law of conservation of momentum here. With this, we are done with this. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.